Guys, what's up? Alright, so yes, finally started making videos since yesterday. A lot of students were calling me and they were asking me, sir, अभी CET हो चुका है. What needs to be done? किसी का अच्छा गया, किसी का CET not up to the mark, because we know CET was definitely weird this time. And on a same note, I really want to thank you all because I've got amazing feedbacks from so many students, Mumbai, Pune, Nagpur, Nashik, like across the states and pan India level. And everybody said that the feedback, I mean, like this is what the students were saying. जो भी strategy बोला था CET का, इस सीजन में जितना भी वीडियोस बनाया CET का, कट ऑफ का strategy हो या फिर आपका puzzles हो, bucketing strategy हो, attempting strategy हो, 60, 60, 30, and like the videos that I made on the D-Day, like slot 1, 2, 3, 4, everybody was saying like all the feedback. Everybody said that यार it was genuine strategies हमारे लिए work हुई, हमें फायदा हुआ, हमारा CET अच्छा गया. एक बच्चे ने कहा सर मेरा JB तो नहीं होगा, मुझे पता है डेफिनेटली, पर मेरा कैट बहुत बेकार गया था and I was worried for my CET, but my CET went amazingly well. तो JB भी इतना हुआ तो भी चलेगा, because that one exam has actually given me a lot of confidence कि हाँ भाई मैं कर सकता हूँ. If I know correct strategy and if I have a good mentorship, I can do it. So I really want to thank you all for that, those kind of feedback, because your feedbacks which you all give me all the time, it actually motivates me to kind of give you and bring even better and better content all the time. So thank you so much for that. Now let's start with the main purpose of the video, is that now what needs to be done after CET. पता है CET horrible था किसी के लिए, किसी बच्चों का अच्छा गया है. कुछ बच्चे मेरे क्लासरूम के ऑनलाइन वाले, उनका अटेम्प्ट जेन्युइन अटेम्प्ट इज 145 से लेके 50 150 है. कुछ बच्चों का अटेम्प्ट 100 and 120 भी है, पर दे आर श्योर कि उनकी एक्यूरेसी अच्छी है. सो लेट्स ट्राई एंड अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट नीड्स टू बी डन नाउ. सी द फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट आई एम गोना टेल यू वेरी ऑनेस्टली, डू नॉट इवन थिंक अबाउट योर रिजल्ट्स. ठीक है, मुझे अभी भी मैसेजेस आते हैं, मुझे अभी भी कॉल्स आते हैं, बच्चे लोग इज आस्किंग कि सर नॉर्मलाइजेशन कैसा होगा, फर्स्ट स्लॉट, सेकंड स्लॉट, थर्ड, फोर्थ. सी नॉर्मलाइजेशन इज गोइंग टू बी रियली वियर्ड. It is indeed a weird process. So we cannot be really sure that कि मेरा स्कोर इतना ही होगा. So we have to wait till the D-Day. Right? 31st March को रिजल्ट आएगा. Things will be clear. अगर कोई स्टूडेंट है जिसको किसी कॉलेज का फॉर्म भरना है, let's say PG कॉलेज and all that stuff, और अगर 31st is the last day, because कुछ बच्चों ने मुझे पूछा, तो मेरे ख्याल से आपका जो रिजल्ट होगा CET का मैक्स टू मैक्स 5 या 6 बजे तक आ जाएगा ऑन अ D-Day. ठीक है, और जब आपकी जो लास्ट डेट है फॉर्म भरने की वो 11:59 तक होती है. एक बार चेक कर लेना, अगर आपके 9-10 बजे भी अगर आप फॉर्म भर सकते हो, आप CET का स्कोर देख के, अगर मान लो कैट में 90 है, CET में 97 है, तो 97 वाला स्कोर दे देना, which is anyway good, it's a good score, right? So you can do that way. Now, number one, what you need to do. See, first of all, before you do anything, I want you guys to understand your situation. Are you really in a capacity to take one more year का gap and prepare for CAT or any other exam? पहले ये आपको देखना है. You are not supposed to be, or like somebody like me, मुझे भी don't even let me tell you कि, and don't even anybody else tell you कि you take a break or you don't take a break, or that. Don't do that. You sit up with your pen and a paper, write down your priorities, check how old you are, what you have done, what you want to do. If you take a gap, what is the benefit? If you don't take a gap, what are the pros and cons? आप देख लो सब कुछ, right? And then come up with a proper answer कि यार गैप लेना है कि नहीं लेना है. अगर आप ऐसे सिचुएशन में हो जहाँ पे आपको लगता है कि नहीं यार अभी ज्यादा हो गया, 3-4 बार CET दिया है, कुछ हो नहीं रहा, इस साल इज गोइंग टू बी डू और डाई. आई एम टेलिंग यू, बिंदास PG के फॉर्म्स भरो. There are so many colleges out there. You have SIS, you've got Dalmia, you've got MIT, you've got IES, you've got Chetna. There are so many colleges out there. You can fill the form and you can kind of go for their GDPI. Actually GDPI देना बनता है. I tell you the reason why. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है, ये हर साल का स्टोरी है. बहुत सारे बच्चे they go for Dalmia, they go for SIS, Rizvi, MIT, whatever colleges, sometimes even Symbiosis. और ये अभी भी हुआ है. ऐसे बहुत सारे बच्चे जिन्होंने SIIB, SMHRD, SITM, बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस उन्होंने कन्वर्ट करके रखे हैं. Because of that conversion, they got a confidence कि सर अगर मैं इतना कर सकता हूँ स्नैप में, अगर मैं थोड़ा जल्दी स्टार्ट करूँ और अगर मैं कुछ अच्छा करूँ तो मैं कैट फोड़ सकता हूँ. So I'm going for CAT. ये भी हुआ है, शायद से ऐसा भी हो, आप एक कॉलेज कन्वर्ट करा लो. लेट्स से by May or June, right? You convert to college and you know that कि हाँ मेरा कॉलेज कन्वर्ट हो चुका है. That can give you confidence to prepare very well for CAT. और अगर नहीं होता है, अगर आपको चलना है, PG में एडमिशन लेना है, बिंदास एडमिशन लो. There is nothing to lose. All the colleges are good, and trust me, I will be guiding you. If it is your majburi that you have to do an MBA from these colleges, definitely I can guide you. Okay? So take my words on that. That's number one. Number two, you have two big tickets now, and those were jbims MSc Finance and jbims HRD. Now trust me, you might be in a dilemma कि यार मुझे फाइनेंस नहीं करना है, यार मुझे HR नहीं करना है, but trust me, it's worth giving it a shot. मैं always कहता हूँ, in Indian education system, brand matters a lot, right? And eventually there are people, they never wanted to do finance last year, but वो बच्चों के percentile अच्छे आ गए, they got a call for GDPI, they went for GDPI, they converted, and now they are happy कि अच्छा हो गया मैं finance लिया because मुझे JB मिल गया. So this is what it is. So I am telling you that JB MSc Finance and JB HRD both are big tickets for you. Now trust me, rather than getting into other colleges like any chota mota college and doing MBA marketing from there, it's better you do JBIMS MSc Finance and start your life on a very high level. Not on a really high level, you will not be CFO to be very honest, but yes, at least अगर हम compare करते हैं jamnalal Bajaj और कोई भी college जो rank 4, rank 5, 6, 7, 8 पे है, यार trust me, अगर आपको वो placement मिलती है, उस level की आपको profile मिलती है, which you really love on a daily basis, मेरे ख्याल से things are sorted. Even if you get into a profile which you really like, but then you are not your profile or your 8 hours जो भी आप करते हो जिंदगी में राइट जॉब पे, if it is not up to the mark, or let's say if your salary is not up to the mark, trust me, वो कहीं ना कहीं वो खलता है कि यार what am I doing? So that's the reason I always say that if you're getting into a big brand, you have good chances to get into a good profile with a good package. So JBIMS MSc Finance and JB HRD is the next thing that you can think about. Math and Atma completely scrapped, so they are not MMS के लिए तो वो है ही नहीं. So वो तो मतलब वो option है ही नहीं अभी हमारे पास. So this is what you can do. You can also think of doing an internship. ये बहुत important है. You can think of doing an internship. You can think of doing a certification course. Trust me, recently I went to one of the B school, and in that B school, it's Mumbai based. And in that B school, I saw students having certifications. Okay, 2 leagues I would say. The one bucket of students, they had all the certifications in the world. On the other side, the another group of students, they had nothing on their resume. Absolutely nothing. Now, those who had nothing on their resume, I asked them, why don't you have any kind of certification? Because your colleagues on the other side are doing a lot of certifications. So these guys were clear because they said that the kind of certification that I'm looking for, I didn't get it. That's not the reply. But then again, I told them कि यार ऐसा नहीं है, certifications है, आपने करा नहीं, because maybe price was high and something like that. On the other hand, right? They had certifications, but the problem is that उन्होंने हर एक certification करके रखा था. You getting my point? But the problem is that यार तुम हर एक सर्टिफिकेशन नहीं कर सकते. बच्चे सर्टिफिकेशन कर रहे हैं, कॉर्पोरेट फाइनेंस में कर रहे हैं, फाइनेंशियल मॉडलिंग में कर रहे हैं. यहाँ मैंने कहा भाई 6 से 7 सर्टिफिकेशन तूने करे हैं. आई एम कंफ्यूज कि तुझे करना है क्या एग्जैक्टली लाइफ में, राइट? तुझे कॉर्प फाइनेंस करना है, तुझे बजटिंग में चलना है, तुझे आईबी में चलना है, तुझे एमएफ में व्हाट यू वांट टू डू एग्जैक्टली. सो गाइस, इट्स अ टाइम फॉर यू दैट यू गाइस डू सर्टिफिकेशन बिकॉज इसकी वैल्यू बहुत ज्यादा है. आई मेनी वे लॉन्चिंग माय सर्टिफिकेशन इन फाइनेंस. इट्स द बेस्ट, आई कैन टेल यू व्हाई. बिकॉज जो बच्चों ने, there are students in Calcutta, Bangalore, Lucknow, Sydenham, JBIMS, they have done this kind of certification. उनको help हुआ, summers में उनको help हुआ, and I can guarantee उनको final में भी help होगा. So if you want to join in, you can join in. The details are given in the description. So yes, definitely you can look out for an internship. You can look out for a certification, and because of this coronavirus now, everybody is in the house. So मेरे ख्याल से you can start pursuing a little bit of hobbies. You can do anything you can do. Like you want to learn foreign language, you can learn that. You want to learn any sort of hobby, you can do that. So मेरे ख्याल से this is the good time that you can spend. But trust me, giving all these things aside, JBIMS MBA Finance, JBIMS HRD, certification and internship, these are going to be the most important thing that you have to do. Anyway, I will be making different videos altogether wherein we are going to have deep dive into every aspect. Internship में क्या करना है, certification में क्या करना है, how do you use this time when you are home. I will be making videos on everything. So yeah, by the way, last but not the least, I was away from my channel. The reason was the stock markets, because there is a bloodbath in the stock market. I was just waiting till the time CET gets over, because even if you look at जो CET का जो season था, वो पूरा जो week था, it was horrible. But I could not leave my CET का stuff and go to markets. But then after CET from Monday, I was on it. And guys, it's horrible in the stock market. So like Monday to Friday, I was actually busy with that. So hopefully we see some upside in the market from Monday, which I'm really not sure, because I'm kind of skeptical on the movement. But anyway, yeah. So now onwards, you will be seeing regular videos coming from my side. I will. Anyways, there is some kind of news which I'll tell you later on. I kind of as far as the finance thing is concerned, there will be something. So yes, you can stick to my channel, and if you need anything, just put the comment on the video, and I'll kind of make those videos for you. So guys, that's it from my side, and thank you so much for watching this video.